What's up, guys? I'm back with another unboxing. This is probably like the biggest box I've ever gotten from Stuller, so stay tuned. I literally sliced through my finger the other day when I was trying to lift a prong up. Do you know what this is? Does it say it on here? It's gonna be a game changer. I would use it at least once a day. So not having one was really bugging me. You can do it the old-fashioned way, but it takes a long time. This might give it away for some of you who know what's going on. This is really exciting. I don't know what's in here. Oh, this is the power cord. I also have to figure out where I'm gonna put this. I think I'm gonna put it right next to, sorry, I'm cutting my head off. I'm gonna put it next to my ultrasonic. So that gives you another clue. It's a cleaning item. Dun, 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 dun. The Speed Brite. Woohoo! They give you a lot of instructions here, but I already know how to use it, so thank goodness. And it's so nice and brand new. Wow. Yee! So let me go ahead and assemble this bad boy, and we will check back in with each other, and I will let you know how it's going. Okay, so I just went ahead and I unpackaged everything that came with the Speed Brite. I got the 200 Turbo Speed Brite, and it came with a little ring holder, which I don't remember my last one having, so that's nice. The electrode wire thing right here that hooks up to the basket. It works through, I think it's electrolysis, correct me if I'm wrong, but something like that. Anyway, it just plugs right into here, and then you plug your power cord in, and of course they send you some Gem Sparkle electro cleaning solution. So this is great because you can literally like squeeze it and that top part fills up. Since I got the 200, I need 2 ounces of this good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 ounces. So there is one. Boop. And now I'm scared it's gonna like squirt out, so go ahead and fill it back up. Another ounce. Boop. So there is 2 ounces. And I love how easy that is to use. That's fantastic. All right, now we're gonna dilute the rest with water. And that's probably pretty good. You don't need much more than that in there. I have some demonstration pieces here. These are from a high-end jeweler that we have all heard of, but I'm not gonna say the name. And this is sterling silver. So over time, sterling silver will tarnish and turn to this black color, which sometimes we like a little bit of the tarnishing color to kind of act as a shadow in the recessed parts of sterling silver, but not when we have high polish items like this. These I want nice, bright, sparkly white. My necklace also, my seashell necklace, I wanted to show you guys over time. It will tarnish. I wore it to a ranch in the middle of Florida recently, and it turned this like gray-brown color. So we'll go ahead and stick that in there too and see how it turns out. But Speed Brite is super easy to use. You literally just drop the item in here and hit the button, and it'll do all the magic for you. I'll go ahead and show you what's happening. So you can see it in real time. It is turning from that dark black color to a really pretty bright white color again. Now, an important thing too is you probably don't want to mix any kind of yellow metal in here. You don't want to mix in like yellow gold. If it's a two-tone piece, you probably don't want to mix it in there. There are things that can contaminate this solution, and with the electrolysis process, it doesn't come out right. So if that ever does happen to you, just go ahead and redo the solution again. All right, let's go ahead and check our piece. After being in the Speed Brite, it looks like it might need one more go at it, but I'm just gonna rinse it in water. This isn't how I normally do it. This is just kind of for demonstration purposes, but you can already see how much brighter and whiter that sterling silver just came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in, here, let me just show you really quick comparison. There's one that I haven't done yet, and there's one that I have just done. So you can really see the difference there. So let's go ahead and put them all in. Let's get them all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seashell in there too. Looks like I got some hair stuck on it though. Don't you love when this happens? Let me know if you find a way to not make that happen, guys, because that would be a billion-dollar idea in the jewelry industry. I usually just take some scissors. Some people just burn it. I don't like burning my jewelry necessarily unless I'm soldering, so it's like once one hair gets in there, everything just goes haywire. Hair wire. Dunch. All right, I think I got them all. Sweet. All right. Before. And you'll know when it's done because this light just fades to off if you watch it. All done. Wow, that looks brand new again. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Look at the after. Woo! Looks like the day I made it. This one looks like it needs another round. And this one looks like it needs another round. These were really dirty, so I am not surprised they need to be in there for 2 or 3 times. But this one just came out so good. I'm so happy with it. Yay. So now you know what the Speed Brite is all about and why I think they are such a crucial device to have on hand, especially if you have customers coming in and they just go, clean my silver jewelry, it's tarnished, help. Bam, Speed Brite. I feel like a witch standing over a cauldron right now. But this thing is totally magic because just look at this piece of jewelry. After I just stuck it in there, it's beautiful, nice and white and shiny. Here is the other one, looking brand new. Now back in the day before I was a jeweler, I used to always take these pieces to the jewelry store that I got them at and have them clean them. And I bet they were using a Speed Brite. So if you're tired of polishing your jewelry by hand, ask your jeweler if they have a Speed Brite and just pop over there and have them put it in the Speed Brite and it can look brand spanking new again. Look at that. It's beautiful. So my review of the Speed Brite is 1000% yes. And honestly, they're not that expensive. So if you're a jeweler and you are looking to no longer hand polish jewelry, if you're doing that to begin with, just get a Speed Brite. They're amazing. Next, I'm going to review my Sunstone Orion Impulse. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching. Bye.